जनकल्याण हॉस्पिटलमध्ये हाऊसकीपिंगची वेकेन्सी आहे. संपर्क 9987432524.
Lakhs to 5 lakhs. And talking about hydro pump, when the water falls from the dam, later the turbine moves and later generator generate energy to electricity. And talking about coal, coal is a fossil fuel. Why it is known as fossil fuel? When the fossil is attains a high pressure due to earth, the energy is generated in it. When it is burned, the energy is released, later converted to electricity. Talking about biomass, biomass is made from alive or was alive for some time ago, such as animal waste, plants, and other natural resources. When burned, energy is produced, later formed into electricity. Talking about uranium, uranium is a toxic and highly reactive substance used in nuclear plant to generate energy. And just like if you are thinking renewable sources are better than non-renewable sources, it's not just like that. Talking about hydropower, it takes a lot of acres of places. And talking about dams, it can break at any time due to floods and other natural disasters, letting the such as because human right is a topic of London. Thank you, sir.
Namaste. We the students of 9th grade presenting a poster model on topic affordable energies for sustainability. So what is energy? Energy is defined as an ability to do our work. Like when we eat our food, nutrients give us the energy. There are different types of energy existing in the world such as kinetic energy, potential energy, chemical energy, mechanical energy, and electrical energy, and etc. Energies can be classified into two types such as renewable energy and non-renewable energy.
Energy such as nuclear waste and toxic waste are differentiated from the earth.
Solar energy is the energy which is generated from the sun from the nuclear fusion that happens inside the sun. Basically, it's the radiation which is captured by solar panels which give us electricity. Second, wind energy. Wind energy is the energy which is generated from the wind, which is the kinetic energy being converted into electricity. As there are two magnets in the turbine, and when they rotate, they give us electricity. Third, geothermal energy. Now, geothermal energy is the heat energy which is generated and produced and stored inside the earth, and we can use it from thermal power plants or volcanic eruptions like the heat through them. Fourth, biofluids. Biofluids are fluids produced from renewable biological resources such as plants and animals. When they decay, they leave a fluid behind which is combustible, and that's what we call biofluids.
Energy is generated by the power of water in motion. Sixth is tidal energy. In this, energy is generated due to the rise and falls of tides caused by the gravitational interaction between Earth, Sun, and Moon. Last is ocean energy. In this, energy is generated due to the difference in the temperature on the upper layers and the deeper layers of the ocean. So these are the different types of affordable energies.
Sir, this is our model on our topic affordable energies for sustainability. It consists of three components: windmill, a house with solar panel mount, and third, a septic tank which produces biogas from the waste from the kitchen and restroom waste, which can be used for combustion in kitchen or vehicles. Second, the windmill and the house. The energy which comes into the house only comes from the windmill and solar panels. Go. Clean energy is a shining star. Bring a free cash from afar. Send the grid through the sun. A new era of energy has become. Clean and renewable change is here. A world where guaranteed saving is a new frontier. For those in need, a helping hand to ease worries across our land. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
We should live in unity. Everyone is equal opinion or about the country of
Namaste, I am Kanishka from grade 7th B. There are many advantages and disadvantages of giving them human rights such as education, healthcare, and there are many disadvantages such as we may become less creative and they don't contain any creativity or emotion in them. Also in the future, people may become jobless also. Thank you.
सायंटिफिक प्रिन्सिपल सांगतो ना फक्त Our scientific principles are conservation of energy, renewability, carbon footprint reduction, life cycle analysis, and energy efficiency. Conservation of energy. This principle states that energy cannot be created nor be destroyed, but can be only transformed from one state to another. Renewability. Sustainable energy sources are renewable, which means they can naturally replenish over time. Carbon footprint reduction. Reducing greenhouse gas emission is a key principle of sustainable energy. Thank you.
We have grown and learned. But I today felt after seeing this human rights thing, I think this was a real wrong because children will now ask your parent question कि भाई ये मेरा right है, right? And उन्होंने किस तरह उसको डिज़ाइन किया और आज ये बच्चों ने जो निर्माण किया, they will say no, I want good water, I want good environment, I want clean. These are my fundamental rights. They talked about rights to existence, rights to justice. सारे rights उन्होंने गिन लिए. आपको अगर मैं पूछूं तो आपको कितना लोगों को आपके rights मालूम होंगे? और हमने देखा कि जहाँ भी ह्यूमन राइट्स को दबाया गया आजू बाजू में वहाँ पे क्या हुआ हमने देखा. So human rights can never be suppressed and human rights should have its own place and human rights don't come free, it comes with responsibility and we as an Indian and responsible citizens should focus on our rights. Now there is one more right which has come, right to child, and next year we will work on right to children so that children also become aware that what their rights are and where we take this country, a country with a dream. And as you all know, we cherish the memorable inputs, the hope. A man who is very dear to our school, and that is Dr. Abdul Kalam ji. A big hand to that visionary who gave us the vision, how to dream and how to achieve the dreams. With this, I am so glad so many schools participated and children have performed beyond my expectation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So, sir is particularly focused on the fundamental rights and implementation of these rights in children, which will be my takeaway from this function.
Hello and Namaste. Today we celebrate Manthan. It's important to recognize its richest history. Over the years, this event has evolved from its humble beginnings into a significant, gigantic occasion that reflects our collective growth and achievements. Its journey is a testament to the dedication and the vision of Dr. Neelam Malik. In 2012, we embraced on our journey with the month saw the birth of Virtual Manthan. With the theme around.
So, in 2022, we focused on sustainable development goals, emphasizing the global responsibility that we all share.
The following year, 2023, we embraced the theme Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which reflects the idea of the world as one family.
In 2024, we turn our attention to universal human rights, recognizing and celebrating the fundamental rights that unite us.
As we gather here today, let us remember that this event symbolizes our collective journey. A journey filled with hard work, dedication, and unity. Without further ado, let's begin this wonderful ceremony with a mesmerizing tabla performance. Please give a warm round of applause for our talented tabla performers.
teachers, and my loving students. I have a small story to say. How many of you are willing to listen to the story carefully? I have a saying in my school, if you have yes, do like this. If you have no, do like this. So I am repeating the question. How many of you like to listen to the story? Wow, good. So the story goes like, in the olden time, there is Gurukul system. When the children were supposed to be going to Guru Ashram, stay there and they have to study, right? Now Guru was taking the classes in the serene atmosphere, in the environment, and a small kitten used to come along with when the studies was going on. Now it happened that the kitten was taking all the attention of the children, and children were not listening to the Guru. So Guru said, let us make it like, let us tie the kitten and you pay attention in your studies. Now the kitten was tied up there, but the next day Guru again told that now the kitten is tied up there, but no one is taking care of the food, water, anything. So you have to give it in turn, the food, water to be taken care of. Now the process started. During the time of the studies, the kitten is always tied up. They were giving him water, food, everything. Now this became a ritual. When the Guru was supposed to be taking the assessment, nowadays what we call test, they were going and feeding it before, and amazingly some of them started talking. क्योंकि मैंने उसको खाना खिलाया ना, मेरा आज बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट गया. Now this talk started happening and it reached to the nearby village also. From the nearby village, some of the business people, they also started coming and feeding the kitten. And amazingly they understood, okay, our business is also going on very good. Right? And now this become a ritual. So the ritual become, if anyone is feeding the kitten, then the business is going on good, children are getting good marks, they are understanding everything, and this become the ritual. But what was the real reason of the kitten to be tied up there? Because the children were not attentive during the class when the Guru was teaching. Now, the real reason of why the kitten was being tied up there was forgotten by everyone, and it became a ritual कि हम अगर उसको खाना खिलाते हैं तो हमको अच्छा मिलेगा. Now why I told this story here is, when we are telling our children that you are supposed to be doing this, supposed to be doing that, but none of us are actually giving the reason why we are supposed to be doing that. And over the times, that the real reason is never reaching to the next generation. So when we are talking about even universal human rights, right? The tagline there below is world citizen to citizen learners. Now when we are talking about rights, every one of us are thinking that ये मेरा right है, मुझे मिलना चाहिए, right? But it is universal human rights. So when we are talking about universal rights, it is coexistence in the living space with everyone, with every living creature, whether it is human being, whether it is plants, or whether it is animal kingdoms. So this is coexistence, and what we call it as Vasudeva Kutumbakam. So when we can be able to give them that why these rights are, rather personally I believe that if we can be able to give them that along with rights, we have lot many duties to perform. So if we tell them that these duties you are supposed to be doing for, say for example, clean environment, say for example for getting the fresh water, for keeping the soil and the atmosphere clean, if we give them the duties, along with duties the rights will also come. This is my personal say. So I think the story of the kitten, that why we have actually tied up the kitten there, should not be forgotten. At the same time, I wish that we teacher fraternity, parents, being the pilots, must give the reason everything to the child so that the child can understand and he or she can be able to take it further to the next level. Thank you very much.
In alignment with this focus, the Manthan Fest has aimed to raise awareness about different facets of human rights, helping us understand our roles and responsibilities as global citizens. As we move forward, let us embrace the spirit of unity and creativity that has defined this quest. Music has always been a universal language that transcends boundary and brings people together.
In the words of William Shakespeare, the man that hath no music in himself, nor is not moved with the concord of sweet sounds, is fit for treasons, stratagems, and spoils. With these thoughts in mind, let us now immerse ourselves in the melodious world created by the talented students of Arya Gurukul Nandavali. Please join me in welcoming them as they present two delightful and captivating songs. Lord, I के चट्टान जैसे बनके एक होकर टकराना है और चले आजाद हम जिएंगे आजाद हम उड़ के रहेंगे आजाद हम और चले आजाद हम जिएंगे आजाद हम उड़ के रहेंगे आजाद हम मायूस मंजर पर पल पल के डोली वो किस्मत से लड़की हुई सांसों की डोली मायूस मंजर पर पल पल के डोली आज चले हम तोड़ दे खौफ की घड़ी बेमौत जीने मुस्कुराए हर घड़ी उनके हर रोज किस्मत जन्नत की होगी रहमत कल की सुबह को रोशनी बनाना है हो चले आजाद हम जिएंगे आजाद हम उड़ के रहेंगे आजाद हम हो चले आजाद हम जिएंगे आजाद हम उड़ के रहेंगे आजाद हम हो चले आजाद हम जिएंगे आजाद हम उड़ के रहेंगे आजाद हम जिएंगे आजाद हम उड़ के रहेंगे आजाद हम छोटी बड़ी कल्पना छोटी बड़ी कल्पना बंधन ये बंधन बंधन ये बंधन बंधन ये बंधन बंधन ये बंधन नई दिशाएं भी उसने सीने में सुधारा है ज्ञान की उठाया है जीवन उसको सवारा है नई दिशाएं भी उसने सीने में सुधारा है छोटी बड़ी कल्पना उठाए बंधन छोटी बड़ी कल्पना उठाए बंधन Inspiring excellent. This is the wonderful science gives ideas for children. Children's also wonderful, also beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is the wonderful science gives ideas for children. Children's also wonderful, also beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Inspiring excellent. Inspiring excellent. Inspiring excellent. Inspiring excellent.
It's wonderful to see such a gathering, and I think all children are waiting for the results, right? It was a wonderful experience, and what really touched me was Article 3, that is right to life. And I was just thinking, a right to life, if we need to give that right, then we need to see that we have that environment where our children can really grow well. Are we giving that to them? Do we? I won't talk about, calculating your carbon footprint and things like that. Those small things. How many plants do you have in your house? Can we keep small, small potted plants in all our houses? Small steps there. Can we switch off the lights when it's not necessary? Can we save a little water? Can we, even when we offer water, can we give half a glass and keep a bottle? These are small things that we can do. And these exhibitions like Manthan is to sensitize everyone for us to think, reflect on our own self, what we do and what we need to do. In schools, we try to give all type of opportunities to our children. See, there are some who are presenting, some who are dancing, some who are singing, some people are performing on tabla, others are with scientific bent of mind, want to, conduct experiments, or maybe they do some research work. Lot of things, and even for parents themselves, I'm very, very sure that you have done lot of research to guide your children. So everyone together, we all come together with our thoughts, and there is a manthan happening, and that's how this exhibition stands out. And for this inter-school exhibition, I wish to remember especially Shri Vajpayee ji, Vajpayee sir, who was so inspiring. I think he was the only person I have met in my life as a teacher. He has never taken a single leave. I don't think there's anyone over here, including me, is not a single leave in his lifetime. That is something which we need to appreciate. This person inspired us to have things like Manthan, and we should remember him on this day. 5th August was his Punyatithi, and there were not less than 5,000 people for his, when he named Nirvan, I should say. And these type of people give you slight inspiration and they come up. And when I'm sitting here and watching all the children perform, and I feel how Manthan started, how we began with that song, Vicharo Ka Manthan. And necessity is the mother of invention. All those words are written by all the teachers and the students together. May this grow and grow, and may these children have lot of opportunities in life. May you all as young parents be able to give them that kind of freedom of thought and reflection. May you grow. May each and every child of Arya Gurukul be happy. Thank you. Hari Om.
Hence, it's time we realize the importance of emancipation and empowerment of women.
Please join me in welcoming them to stage. पर चूर की भांति शीश पर था पाओगे क्या? एक सी प्रेम में बनता नहीं सीता भी, पर तुम राम की तरह समुद्र में सेतु बना, वन भटकते हुए
नामों में तेरा नाम बड़ा, हर युग में तेरा काम बड़ा। नामों में तेरा नाम बड़ा, हर युग में तेरा काम बड़ा। हो कोई धाम कोई तीरथ, चीजों में तेरा नाम बड़ा।
मैं गंगा की भांति पवित्र थी, पवित्र हूँ और पवित्र ही रहूंगी। पुराणों में भी लिखा है, यत्र नार्यन्तु पूज्यन्ते तत्र रमन्ते देवता। हरिओम।
जाने क्यों बेईमान तेरा ही आही क्यों हर चेहरे दीवारों के बिना भी हमसे सारा जहां नाराज है कोई गमों से है कोई खुशी से है दोस्ती अजनबी अजनबी तो नहीं यार के सीने में ये तो है नहीं अजनबी अजनबी तो नहीं मिट्टी से सब बने कोई
Thank you for such a pleasure to invite Sri Sanjay Srivastava, General Manager Ordnance Factory Amarnath, to the stage. I kindly request Sri Bharat Patel, Chairman RL, to accompany welcome diverse experience in senior management, having successfully handled personnel and administration in various ordnance companies at Vananda, Amara, and Pune. We welcome you, sir. Now, we request you to announce the winners of the Miss America Group A and B competition. The America Group competition of Group A and B held on 5th August 2024.
The winners of the competition recite the poem for Group A. The second runner-up is Miss Amanti Sartape and Ali Jakinata. Master Dakshit Bhakti. Master Dakshit Bhakti and Ali Amanat.
So as your names are, so just a minute. As your names are announced, please come with one teacher. Yeah.
Amanti Sartape. The first runner-up is Master Dakshit Bhakti and the winner is Miss Durshita Bhavan. Congratulations and welcome to the beautiful.
Congratulations to all of you. Congratulations to all of you. Audience, please give a big
A poem from Group B. The second runner-up is Master Pagan Kamra from AG Amanath.
AG Amarnath, please come forward. Second prize is shared by two people, two children, that is Sanjay Chadha, AG Nandini, and Badani Sankuri Sengati. And the winner is KNL Bhatia, AG Nandini.
DJ Ashish SK. And the winner is Ms. Meetakshi Bharat. dignitaries and
So the first prize, the winner is Daksh Nalewal, IIT Ambernath. And the second prize goes to Shrestha Sashivaran Infant Jesus. Please come forward. And third prize goes to Chakor Anushri St. Mary's. Daksh is getting AV Ambernath first prize. Is Monishka Sharma,
NFS Group C Experience College, the first runner up is Dhruva Dagre, and the winner for the competition is Monishka Sharma from IIM Ambernath. Audience, please give a big round of applause.
and the first prize goes to Jigisha from Cambridge, St. Mary's. Please come forward.
For Eloquence Group D is K.E. Karan Reddy from IIM Nagari, and the winner for the competition is Jigisha K.J. from St. Mary's High School.
And thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk to you. My dear children, teachers, distinguished guests, and the founder members of this Education Today Foundation and Hollywood Foundation. It gives me a real pleasure. I feel it's a privilege for me to be amongst all of you in this August gathering on the occasion of validity function of Manthan, Inspiring Excellence, which has been a week-long festival, week-long event. It was a mega event, and I was going through the booklet of this event. I was truly impressed. It's strongly inspired by the Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted in the UN General Assembly on 10th of December 1948. It was reflected, it had echoes in many of the projects which I went to see in different classrooms before this function. And I was delighted to hear the students while talking about the projects talk not only about these articles from the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, but also about the collective principles of the state policy, Article 21, right to life, and one other, and it was really very impressive, apart from the scientific endeavor that we were able to present. When I was going through the booklet, the brochure policy event, the Universal Declaration was definitely there, but what came to my mind immediately was that the kind of preparation, the kind of thought, the kind of contemplation which has gone into this event, it is not only reflective of our directive principles of the state policy that we have been talking about, but also about our fundamental duties. As citizens of this country, we often talk about our fundamental rights. We also talk about what we expect from governance, from the government. We talk about DPSP, the directive principles, but we don't talk so often about the fundamental duties. And among the fundamental duties, we were incorporated in the Constitution of India. One very important one is to develop scientific temper and humanity. Amen. Now, this is what I found in the efforts for this event. Fantastic experience I had. The kind of scientific temper which we have.
Thank you, sir, for your ever motivating.
Seminar or Group E. Second runner up is Miss Gayatri Vinagota. Infant Jesus. Winner is Miss Kshitija Palekar.
And the winner of the competition is Kshitija Palekar.
Top for Group E. Second runner-up. There are two runner-ups. Miss Tanishka Ramle and Miss Tapasya Pandey. Both same place. First runner-up are Miss Arushri Saidane, Miss Sinian Ekram Burma, and the winner
The second runner-up, Harishra Gangale, Pansya Kande. The first runner-up, Arushi Sengale, Nandini Anand. And the winner is Shravani Bed, Ajinkya Dungre.
first runner-up, Miss Siddhi Kalyan. The winner is Miss Ananya Amin. Ananya Amin. Congratulations to the winners.
Can you teacher from Mahavira?
First runner-up, Priya Parima, AG Nandini. And the winner is combined Riya Golatkar, AG Ambernath, and Amrita Prajapati, AG Nandini.
The second runner-up, Purva Sarpate. The first runner-up, Shreya Dayana. And the winner is Ankita Prajapati and Leah Kaur.
Amarnath Sankishan from Mount.
Miss Archita Rote, AG Ambernath.
Devyani Kone. And the winner is Archita Rote.
That salinization can also lead to man-made desertification, landscape, man-made actions.
In short, our buildings and forests while vital, can disrupt the delicate balance of groundwater, leading to unintended consequences. With this, let's welcome our esteemed guest for today, Mr. Vineet Fadnis. Sir is the CEO and co-founder of Urdham Environmental Technologies Private Limited. He has also accomplished a master's degree in tropical hydrogeology.
Sir has also published several research.
Have us today, CEO, St. Mary's High School, to please felicitate Sir.
All of this gathering on the dais as well as in the audience, and mostly the children who are here to listen to announcements and gather their prizes. So maybe I cannot hold too much of your time. Thank you for inviting me here for this program. I could see Manthan to be in last so many years it has skipped heights, I would say, and I'm sure that in coming years it will be a kind of a belt exhibition, turning into a belt exhibition as well. So I won't be surprised by doing that. So it's now only for maybe Corona, and the region, but maybe in coming years it will spread across to all schools in Maharashtra, where all schools will be represented here, and it's really bring out the churning of ideas, churning of innovations and excellence as a whole. So my background is basically I'm a geologist and hydrogeologist, and most of my work is on groundwater and groundwater, how we can save water as a whole, because as you know, Jal Hai to Kal Hai, and we have to be curious in resource management. We are fortunate that we are endowed with a lot of water, but then how we are utilizing that is something which is a very important aspect. And looking at the changing climate change kind of a scenario, it's surfacing a lot. You might be hearing stories from different cities like Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Noida, that they are where they are going now. Fortunately, we have a lot of rains which are happening in our area, but then we have to take care of our resource in a better way. It should be sustainable, and that's what I think we should hand over to the generations to come. Our previous generations gave us this particular task of managing the resource, so we should also give it to the next generation that particular thought. So thank you very much basically for having me here.
Please lend to our school. So can I request all teachers to maybe escort a few children who are feeling really hot, stuffy here outside in the playground, in case if anyone wants to take a break. And the same goes for the parents. Thank you so much. Thank you. Pioneered in boat charter as a technology, and in our school in Nandivali, he's helped us create this infrastructure for rooftop rainwater harvesting. If you could see that the Nandivali school has a very large roof, and we always had a borewell system, but we didn't have a rainwater harvesting borewell system which would also recharge our groundwater. Over to Sir to give us a little more insight.
So, when it comes to water harvesting, or in typical senses, we call it as a rooftop rainwater harvesting. So, wherein whatever water which falls on the roof, we collect it through a system of gutters or maybe downtank pipes and so forth. And then the task is to recharge that water into the subsurface. Most of the times, what happens is this is being done normally by a plumber or maybe by an engineer. So, what difference we bring in? So, we bring in basically the science of groundwater into the whole design and the aspect of rainwater harvesting. Why it is necessary is because, see, the local geology, the rocks which are below, will have a lot of say when it comes to how much water is going to be recharged below, and what kind of aquifers are below, which can hold, which can take that much kind of water which is generating through your roofs. So the idea is basically to have a scientific study of geology and hydrogeology together, and then design your system in such a way that maximum benefit can be reaped out of whatever we are doing. So
Gauri, she is a singer, she is a music director, and the most she is a parent of R.A. Gurukul career. अब थोड़ा सा तो बनता है कि हमने ह्यूमन राइट्स की बात की, हमने सब कुछ बात की, और ये राइट्स हमें कौन देता है? कौन देता है? हमारा देश देता है, और इस देश के लिए एक अच्छा सा संगीत, एक गाना जिसमें आप सब गाएंगे और सब जोरदार झूमेंगे, वो दे सकेंगे इसका। ये जो बास्केट है, ये बच्चों ने बनाई है आर.ए. गुरुकुल की। Do you know that? This basket are made by the children.
It's indeed a pleasure for me to stand here yet again on stage after 3 full years since we have started Swarnhara in the Gurukul and Little Valley schools. I must say, sir, that I am extremely privileged to be an R.A. Gurukul parent. My daughter studies in 4th standard here.
Vande Mataram, 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 sing with me? Vande Mataram, 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 Vande Mataram.
It was truly a melodious performance. Give a huge round of applause to Nara.
Thank you very much. Pull-up Paramji. So Vivan Valani and Krishna. Any guess? So I'm going to announce. Rajmira Sheikh and Varat Sahu from St. Mary.
The second runner-up, Vivan Valani, Drishna Pulatti Parambil. The first runner-up, Shreya Ugde and Shivam Jha. And the winner is Rajmira Sheikh and Bharat Sahu. Please give a huge round of applause.
Arya Dhumale. Both are from St. Mary School. Congratulations to both of you. First runner-up, Nigel Putiel. Third. Both are from AG Nandiwali, Arya Gurukul Nandiwali. So congratulations. Oindila Mukherjee and Nandini Lavekar from Lodha World.
The competition is Tanishka Guru and Arya Dhumale. The first runner-up is Nigel Gooding and
Miss Sia Torase and Miss Rohani Patel, LA Nandiwali. Wow. You must have. This is going to help you in future. You must have energy and excitement both. First runner-up, Miss Tanisha Gazeli, Miss Bhavya Bondekar from Chakinaka. Congratulations. And the winner is Master Arav Vishwakarma and Miss Riyaz. Congratulations and congratulations.
The second runner-up, Ruhani Patil and Sia Tulsi. The first runner-up, Bhavya Gondekar and Tanisha Gaje. And the winner is Riya Gupta and Arav Vishwakarma.
From St. Mary. Wow. Tamil Arya from St. Mary. Congratulations everyone. Congratulations.
The second runner The first runner-up, Trisha Gaikwad and Grishma Pawar. And the winner are Arya Thorat and Arina Shah. Congratulations to all the winners.
From St. Mary. Wow. Congratulations. And the winner is Archita Gowda and Siddhi Chauhan. Congratulations.
Congratulations to the winners.
First runner-up, Ananya Gap. Ali Govind and Himanshu, congratulations.
The first runner-up, Aryan Jadhav and Ananya Gatti. And the winner are Himanshu Khandra and Harigovind Shukla. Congratulations to all the winners.
And Archita Rothi from UG Ambernath. Sunanda Naidu and Smruti Das from St. Mary's. Dhruv Desle and Pillai Janvi from St. Mary's.
Gurleen Bijlani, the first runner-up, and Dhruv Desai. Congratulations to all the winners.
This is the best thing I have seen, and which is very, very essential in everyone's life. So this manthan is really a great thing. Manthan means आपका थोड़ा अंदर से भी मंथन हो जाए, you will definitely find a new things, and that will help you in your future life. So this is the small things I usually say everyone. So children, मल्लिक साहब का भी है कि डरो मत और डरो भी मत. मेरा भी यही कहना है कि डरो मत, डराओ भी मत, और कभी भी हारने से डरो मत. अगर तुम जीतना जानते हो तो गिरने से डरो मत, क्योंकि गिरना भी एक लर्निंग है. तो आप जिंदगी में गिरने से डरो मत, लेकिन उठने की पूरी कोशिश करो. यही जिंदगी है. So thank you everyone. Thank you very much. Great event. Because you are giving lots of messages, which definitely helps in everyone's life. Otherwise, आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आपका राइट्स क्या है, तो जिंदगी में मजा नहीं है. तो thank you for the very, very decent message, Manthan. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
I request Shri Nilesh Rathod, Principal, Shri Ajit Dubey. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shri Ajit Dubey.
Sorry, sending me to announce. Okay, so the poster making for Group B, second runner-up, that is the third prize goes to Nikhil Mishan and Chinki Atharva of St. Mary's High School. And the first runner-up, the second prize goes to Srishti Mishra, Harshali Mishra, Holy Faith School. Holy Faith, everyone there go. And the winner team is Viva Thamke and Kavya Nandoskar, St. Mary's High School.
First runner-up, Harshali Mishra, Srishti Mishra. And the winner are Kavya Nandoskar and Viva Thamke. Congratulations to all the winners.
Holy Faith, yeah, please. It's good. Suhani St. Mary's High School. Okay, so this has many more prizes here. So debate Purva Paksha Group E Dynamic Duo. Urvashi Dubey and Tapasya Pandey, St. Mary's High School. Ramani Sharma of Loda World.
The special prize by the judges, because we have different elimination rounds, and from the different elimination rounds, still the child managed to get.
to learn, like to be separate every turn, like to care and to be heard. Let's say now, know the right, know the right, know the right. Thank you. Learning game, our dreams are dream. La 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 stand up tall for yourself and for us all. With a smile and with pride, our eyes are alive. Our eyes are alive. La 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 la. Either was and bright and free, every gift and right to see. Like to learn and like to play, to be heard and have you say. Like to learn and like to play, to be heard and have you say. Love and family, these are all just like me. These are all just like me. La 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 la. So remember every day, these are things always will say. So remember every day, these are things always will say. Be all equal, be all fair. Our eyes are always there. Our eyes are always there. La 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 la.
कि ये मेरा दूसरा साल है मंत्र के आना, और यहाँ आके जो ऊर्जा मिलती है वो मैं साल भर उस ऊर्जा को यूटिलाइज करता हूँ अपने कामों में। और यहाँ पे अभी बच्चों ने परफॉर्म किया, यहाँ मैं देख रहा हूँ नारी शक्ति बहुत है, और जहाँ नारियों का सम्मान होता है, जहाँ नारियों को अग्रसर रखा जाता है, वो जगह अपने आप में पवित्र हो जाती है और वो ऊर्जावान हो जाती है। जब मैं एचआर में था, छोटा सा मैं वाक्य बताऊंगा, तो मैं जब भी इंप्लीमेंट करता था तो मेरे बॉस को जितनी भी महिलाएं होती थी उनको 0.5 में ज्यादा देता था। अब तो एक दिन मेरे बॉस ने मुझे बुलाया, बोले जी तुम लगभग 300 को कम देते हो और महिलाओं को 0.5 में एक्स्ट्रा देते हो। मैं बोला सर आज मैं उसका कारण बताऊंगा। मैंने कैमरा उनके पास रखा, मैं बोला देखिए अभी 5:30 बजने वाले, ऑफिस खत्म होने वाला, और हम लोग माइक भी रखते थे सुनने का। मैं बोले आप पुरुषों को सुनिए, जब वो छुट्टी होने का रहता है तो वो आपस में क्या बात करते हैं, यार आज शाम कहाँ जाना है, आज शाम कहाँ व्यतीत करना है, आज किसको मिलना है, आज क्या करना है। अरे आज बहुत बोर हो गए, कहीं जाके आराम से मॉल में बैठूंगा। सॉरी हम मैं भी पुरुष, बट ये नॉर्मल होता है। अब महिलाएं उसकी जगह पे क्या कहती है, यार आज सास के लिए कौन सी सब्जी लेके जाओ, ससुर को उस दिन तो सब्जी खिलाई ना वो मजा नहीं आया, गाली मिली थी। आज मैं कुछ अच्छा देखूंगी, पति देव के लिए क्या लेके जाऊंगी, बच्चों के लिए क्या लेके जाऊंगी। मतलब उनका 24 आवर ऑफिस चालू रहता है, और उनको अगर आप इतना सब प्रेशर लेते होंगे, कहते हैं सांसारिक बोझ, पारिवारिक बोझ, पति बोझ, ससुर बोझ, सब बोझ लेते हुए फिर अगर आप ऑफिस में मुस्कुरा रही है, इसका मतलब पॉइंट पर को बहुत कम है। तो नारी शक्ति का सम्मान तो है, और मैं नारी शक्ति के लिए कुछ कहते हुए अपने शब्दों की विराम को करूं। झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हूं मैं, झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। अपने ही हाथों से रचा स्वयं, तुमसे अब मिटने का खौफ नहीं। तुम हालातों की भट्टी में, तुम हालातों की भट्टी में जब जब मुझको झोंकोगे, तुम हालातों की भट्टी में जब जब मुझको झोंकोगे, तब तपता सोना बनूंगा मैं, तब तपता सोना बनूंगा मैं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे। धन्यवाद सबको। आइए ये जो
Jingle to the Beats for Group C. The second runner-up is Aryagun Gulabanath. The first runner-up, St. Mary's High School. And the winner is A.T. Radhivili.
Is the first runner-up is St. Mary's High. Please put your hands together.
to all the winners.
First runner-up is Aryagun Nadhuri, and the winner for the competition is Aryagun Amarnath. Competition Group E.
Just sit here. Very good. This looks nice. Okay.